Okay, nice and hot. Try to turn it back on. Goes. Very, 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 very hard to start. Barely even turn on. Yep, there it is. So let's give it a try. I run like shit right now. You hear that? Yeah, it's no one going to add a ground to the engine. Okay, I just added the ground cable. Went out for a cruise, got it nice and hot. Let's see if it works. Here it goes. Alright, give it about a couple seconds. Let's try again. Oh yeah. That worked pretty good. Fired right up. Wow. Let's try it again.